Hello, darlings, and welcome to my beauty. No, long time no see. I know I've been doing a lot of voiceovers lately, but anyway, long time no see, face to face. But today we are doing DIY potpourri. So we're doing 3 different ones. We're gonna do dried potpourri today because you can do fresh on the stove or you can do dried. You can give these as gifts or just use it for your home. I'm trying to speak up because there's a cat outside that won't shut up. So anyway. So here I have all my dried fruit. This is dried orange slices. All I did was cut these into slices, put it on a baking sheet with parchment paper with some orange essential oil and put it in the oven for 175 degrees for like all day or until they look like this basically. So, and I did that also for the apples and the lemons and the cranberries. So you don't have to do all that like I did. Like I said, you can do fresh and just throw the fruit in the pot and yeah, do it that way. And you can also take this, so after we assemble this you can do the same thing. So the first one we're gonna do is like an apple spice one, and I got my dried apple and we're just gonna put, they look like something, I know, don't say what it is, but we're just gonna put these in a jar, and if you have to break them up you can. Right, you can just, yep. And I got some cinnamon sticks, some starred anise or anise. I don't really know how you say that. And just however much of each. Alright, and I have a vanilla bean. And some cardamom pods. So there's about a tablespoon of cardamom pods. And you just throw all this in here like that. Some more apple. Another cinnamon stick. Yeah, so that looks pretty good. So yep, that's your first one. And like I said, you can put this I don't know if I said that already, but you can put this in a bowl and just set it out and let the aromas go through the air, or you can actually take this and put it in a pot of simmering water and yeah, do it that way. That actually would be better. It actually go throughout the house better. But anyway, that's your first one. It's the apple cinnamon. I don't have a name for it, but anyway, we're going to go to the next one. Okay guys, so we're back. The next one we are doing is kind of like a citrusy, piney with some spice because we have some candied ginger, we got lemon, and we have pine. So like I said, I did add some essential oil like I told you with the last one. So whatever it is, add that essential oil. Lemon adds lemon essential oil, pine, you get the gist. But anyway, I got some pine here. Gonna put that in there with the lemon. Got some candied ginger, so that's gonna give it quite of a spice smell. And this is gonna sound weird, but I got some rosemary. And yeah, we're gonna add that all in there. Maybe another pine cone if it'll fit. I don't know if it'll fit. We'll see. It might not. I don't care. Anyway, that's it. That's your second one. And like I said, you put this in a bowl or you put it in a pot. Either one. Alright, on to the next one. Alright guys, so next we are doing I don't know what this is called, but anyway, we're doing one. We got some dried oranges here. Yep, so we got some oranges. Put those in there. And then we have some dried cranberries. Yep, so put that all up in there. Alright, then we got some cinnamon sticks. I'm gonna put some more oranges there though. Make it look full. Alright. Cinnamon sticks, we got some whole cloves for some spice. And then I have some nutmeg. I wanted whole nutmeg. I couldn't find that, so I got ground nutmeg. So it's just a stick. Alright, so that's all 3 of your homemade potpourris that you can do. Like I said, I did it the extra way. I dried everything. You ain't got to do that. You can do it the fresh way. But anyway, these are just 3 scents to idea of a scents you can put together. Okay, so thank you so much for watching, you guys. I'll try to do more videos like this because I miss you guys. Love you. Bye.